Do you want to learn how to create a typable PDF? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly that. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're so welcome. Please subscribe, and if you return, it's so good to see you again. Please remember to click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. And remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. So let's get to it. So you have a need in your business to create a typable PDF, and by typable, I mean a PDF document that people can type into, people can add their own content into. For example, let's say you want to create a workbook for your subscribers as a lead magnet. You want to be able to create that document to be typable so that they can type into the fields that you've created for them. So if there's something you're interested in learning how to do, then keep watching. So guys, we're just going to dive right into the tutorial. For the sake of demonstration, I have downloaded a workbook from canva.com. It is not my work, just to call out that this is a template that I just downloaded for the sake of demonstration from canva.com. I'll put the link down in the description. Let's just say this is, your workbook that you are sending to your subscribers or to your followers to help them structure their writing. So you want them to be able to type into the fields, the theme, the title of the story, the setting of the story, the narrator, the climax, the rise in action, fall in action. You want them to be able to fill in the information within all these fields. So currently this is a static PDF. There's no way for anyone to type into this field. That's what we need to fix. We want to make it in such a way that people can be able to type into this field. And that's what we're going to be doing. So let's just jump right into PDF Escape. Free to use. So just type it to your URL or just search it on Google and you find it, pdfescape.com. And we can just, use the free online service here. Click on free and just upload the PDF document that you want to, edit. And here is the booklet. So what we need to do is let's just make this smaller. Here we go. So we want to add fields to these boxes so that people can type into it. So what we need to do is to add a form field to each of these boxes. So select on form field. The type that we want is a text paragraph. Might be more appropriate for us. And we'll select, and it'll give you this box that you can then fit into your chosen box. It's free form so that you can resize it to your shape. So we can then right click and duplicate it for the other sections. So that's it guys, we've added form fields into these boxes so that people will be able to type into them. And once you're happy, you can save. So you can save your changes and download it. So save and download. Here we go. So you can see the changes now. So you can type in whatever you want. So all the fields are editable now, which is really cool. But yeah, you guys get the gist, right? You've been able to convert a static PDF to a typable PDF. This will take your digital products to another level. You'll be able to deliver value in a much better way. So yeah, guys, let me know if you're gonna try it, and let me know if you tried it before, how it went, and and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. And before you go, check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you